to modify a reservation on budget. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search budget.com. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on reservations at the top. After you click on reservation, click on view, modify, cancel, which is the second option here, which will lead you to this page. Here, simply select your country, last name, and enter your confirmation number. After that, click on Find Reservation. Here, you'll find all the options, which is your reservation. Here, you can simply click on Change and change return location. Select New Drop-Off Location, change end date and time, and after you do this, you're good to go. It is not available in my device, so you will find it here after you click on Find Reservation. This is how to modify a reservation on budget. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.